first date. Together. Come on. If you could step to the left a little bit. You're right. You're right. Now slowly turn around. See the hair? Very nice. Oh. You can show the shoes, how cool they are.
4 inches, thank you.
4 inches, all right. Olive oil shoes.
They're called Betty's.
Betty's, oh. Betty Boop.
Oh, and the nails.
Oh yeah, well I gotta get this, yeah, I gotta zoom in on the nails now.
They're very long and they irritate me. They're not going to last long.
Very beautiful. And they go with the dress very nicely.
Thanks to Andrea for the nail polish for my birthday.
And the necklace and earrings from your brother Keith
My first
for your
date.
first date. And the shoes are via Cameron and Helena.
Cameras.
Oh yes, he'll be blind from the flash.
That's right.
I've already said Squinty.
Once I get it out. Okay.
We're
Which way
ready.
does it go? Oh, don't mind us.
This is a wrist massage. I know. Which way does it go though?
Is that a pin on top?
No,
It's a wrist.
And it goes on the arm that goes over your shoulder, so that would be starter dancing. See,
Right.
that's
Oh,
left.
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 Yeah, but I was wondering if it has to go on like that or probably the big flower on the outside, right?
There you go. Sounds good.
Okay. Feel like I'm at like a photo session. And I will try not to poke you.
Well, the blood won't show you.
Should it
Oh
go?
my gosh, this is right.
Just go on your left.
Right, yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
A little higher up, yeah.
Up here?
Uh-huh.
I can't do this. You got the easier way out. Let's do this.
Flash go off?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just a second. Very nice.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, put your dates in the middle.
What?
Put the girls in the middle.
Okay. Frame
Okay, okay, Miriam, turn your left shoulder this way a little bit, okay. And tell me your name? Jeanette. And if you turn your right shoulder this way a little bit. Turn your right shoulder down.
Yeah,
There you go.
did.
And move over a little closer to Miriam.
Joseph.
Okay.
Why don't you scoot down a little? There you go.
There you go.
So sure I have 4 inches.
And you want one picture or two? Okay, got one. And
Quiet camera. You can take this if you want.
You could put on even sides.
Oh, there you go.
can you get it over with the flower showing?
Wait.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
What's this doing the flower show?
You don't have to hold it in the middle. Hold it a little off center from the collar.
Do it like this.
Like that.
Okay.
Stand a little closer together. Not
Oh, Joseph. Can't get it to raise your help.
Can't get it.
I'm so supportive.
There you go. Cool. All right.
Take Enough's enough.
Bye, bye, you guys, have fun.
All right, she's working out just right.
Make sure her dress isn't hanging out the door.
Oh, funny.